Hey everyone, this month's harvest of the month is melons. There are many different types of melons, including watermelons, honeydew, and cantaloupe. For today's recipe, we'll be making a watermelon smoothie, so we'll be using watermelon. So now I'm going to take my watermelon on the cutting board, and I'm going to cut my watermelon. So for this recipe, you'll need about 3 cups worth of watermelon. So we're just going to cut it into pieces. Then I'm going to use my measuring cup, fill it with watermelon. Now I'm going to fill my second cup. So now this makes 2 cups worth of watermelon. So now we have 3 cups worth of watermelon. So for our next step, we're going to take about half a cup of yogurt. For this recipe, I'm using vanilla flavored yogurt, but you can use any type of yogurt. And then for the next step, you'll take about a cup of low-fat milk. To pour it in the blender. Then the last step is we're going to do 3 tablespoons of honey. This is a point in time where you can get your kids involved in the food prep. Two tablespoons, and 3 tablespoons of honey. So now I'm going to put the top of the blender on. Okay, so now I'm going to turn the blender on. This blender has different modes. I'm just going to do smoothie modes. Every blender is going to look different, but as long as it's being blended into a smoothie, then it'll work for this recipe. So I'm going to hit start. I'm going to blend. So now I'm going to stop. So now I'm going to take the lid off. Looks good. So now I'm going to pour it into a cup. So there you have it, watermelon smoothie. Serve and enjoy. Stay tuned for our next harvest of the month.